went to Georgia Ophthalmologist in 2017 and chose the lifestyle lenses. The reason why I chose the lifestyle lenses was basically because I did not want to wear glasses any longer. When I went to have my surgery with Dr. Biglis, first of all, I was very nervous. He explains very well for test result, everything. He goes through it all with you. It was a lot shorter than what I thought it was going to be. After the whole thing, I just had to wait there a little bit and I was normal, felt very normal. It's wonderful to be able to not to have to put on glasses. If anyone is considering going through cataract surgery, I highly recommend Dr. Biglis. He made it easy to go through the surgery. He's very easy to talk to. He is sweet. He has a lot of integrity. I don't question that at all with him, whereas others I have. I feel very comfortable with him as a doctor and as a person. So I contacted Dr. Biglis. He had me take a picture of my eye, sent it to him, and he reassured me that it was fine. He told me what prescription medicines to put in there. He is a very, very honest and professional ophthalmologist. While I still administer drops to my eyes, it's still not anything like I did before I had the dry eye clinic. That's just the kind of doctor that he is. He takes care of his patients. He cares about his patients. It's not something that you just go in and leave and then he's done with you. So that's why I recommend him.